I just ordered an item from Lazada, and today it just arrived. It's my first mechanical keyboard. It's an 87 key backlit gaming keyboard, mechanical keyboard. So let's try to unbox it. So what's inside? It's actually this keyboard is actually from Gigaware. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So it's a small manual, and we have the keyboard itself, the rest, I think, and I think it's a key picker if you want to replace the keys. So let's try to check. So it looks like they also got the wrong order, because I did specifically order for the black one, and it looks like they shipped a white version of the keyboard. So this is actually my first mechanical keyboard, so I don't know what to expect, but it's actually pretty soft. I actually thought that mechanical keyboards are quite hard to press because of their clicky-tacky sound. So let's try it. So since it's my first mechanical keyboard, I'm actually not gonna do a very in-depth review, because I know little of mechanical keyboards. So this is my first keyboard. It's actually from CM Storm. It's a membrane keyboard. It's backlit. There's a faint blue backlit here. It's a CM Storm. I've had this for I think 2 years. So now I have this keyboard from Gigaware. So this is one of their. So let me see how many lighting combinations this has. Let me see the back. Okay, so you can change so to change the lighting mode, you just need to press on function key and SL. So I think this is normal, steady backlit. Then this is the okay. So it lights up every press of the key. See that? And next one. Okay, I think this is the heartbeat mode. See, it looks like it's pumping blood or whatever. And next, okay, I think this is the gaming mode. So we have the WSASD keys lit, cursor keys lit as well. Also the escape key. I think you can. As far as I know, you can program this to change whatever keys are lit. Next one is I don't know what this is called, but yeah, it's moving from center to the right, or they meet in the center. Okay, then this one, I think it's the other way around. Then this one. I think there's too much light there. You can't see let me just close the window. Okay, that's better. Okay, to change the brightness, you just need to press function. Then, okay, I think that's the brightest it can go. Then you can lower it. Okay, now there's barely a light. There. Then you can change the speed by using this one. See? It's lower now. And you can increase the speed. You can see the difference. Then change again. And that's pretty. It looks really pretty. And this one, I think this is when you It's it looks like it's on the light moves on every key press here. Then this one, I think this one is it's almost the same style, but it only lets a certain group of keys nearest the key that you pressed, compared to before where it runs. And I think that's the standard backlit. Yeah, I don't know how many keys though how many backlight modes those are. Okay, first impression, it's actually pretty good. I was actually expecting that it would, I'd have a hard time pressing this one. This is a gaming keyboard from CM Storm, but it's actually membrane, so if you can listen to it, it's actually pretty soft to touch. And this is the mechanical keyboard. It's my first mechanical keyboard from Gigaware. It's actually pretty good. I actually thought that I'd stress my fingers, because I mostly do work for maybe 10 hours, then play Dota a few hours per day. So I think it's not gonna stress my fingers. Yeah, there's a clicking sound, if you can listen to it, like an old digital typewriter, electronic typewriter. That's the sound, I think. What I do really like about this keyboard is actually its size. Since it's only an 87 key keyboard, the size is actually smaller than the standard keyboard. If you, here's a size comparison with my Gigaware mechanical keyboard compared to my CM Storm. So this is its size, and this is the size of the CM Storm. So I think it's at 75% size of the usual keyboard. So it fits me well, since I'm trying to do a minimalist approach on my workstation here. So having a smaller keyboard makes me maximize all my real estate here. So you have all this space for whatever I want, but still I'm trying to minimize all the clutter on my workstation. So having this small mechanical keyboard will really help. But still, white does not fit here. I still need this. It's indeed very clicky and tactile. That's it. That's my first mechanical keyboard. Compared to this one, which actually sounds very soft and wet. Compared to this one, it sounds really snappy. So that's it. So I have to test this first, or I have to get this replaced, then do a major dry run. Oh, by the way, this keyboard, the Gigaware K28 mechanical keyboard, is actually not RGB. It's rainbow colored, but it's not true RGB. So each row is lit with a different color. So here's green, it's yellow. I think this is faint white, not sure. Then you have red where it merges with blue, it gets violet. So it's not true RGB. It's just rainbow colored, but it still fits. It works just like an RGB because of the backlit, but still you cannot set the mode. You can set it to steady green, steady blue, or steady red. So each row has its own color. That's I think that's the con of this keyboard.